Why are you not at the place that you want to be at in life? And I hope that doesn't sound harsh or nothing, but just being real. And everything that I'm saying to y'all right now, I'm saying to myself, so keep that in mind. Why are you not at the place where you want to be at in life? This is the real reason why you're not successful yet. But first, it's important to understand the real definition of success, right? Success is not having $1 million in your bank account. Success is not having 1 million followers on Instagram. Success is not being the most popular kid in school or getting all the girls or whatever your conception of success is. Success is none of those things. Success, in short, is doing the thing that God created you to do. Everything in this life was created to do something. Even if you look at a pen, just like a simple example, if a pen does not write properly, it is not successful. If a plane that's flying in the air can't fly, it's not successful. You feel me? So the only way to be successful is to do the thing which you were created to do. So in saying that, this is the real reason why you're not successful yet. The reason you are not successful yet is because you're not ready. You have to be ready. You have to be capable of where you are being led to. There are certain levels in life that you can't attain to until you have first been prepared for them. Everything in this life is about going through seasons and tests. So if you're at a level in life, you first have to be tested to see if you're ready to get to the next level. Just like in school, if you go from first grade to second grade, before they let you go to second grade, you gotta pass the final exam in first grade in order to get to second grade. In order to go from high school to college, you gotta take the SAT, whatever it may be, ACT, to get prepared. And it's the same thing in life. Life is going to test you to see if you're ready to make it to that next level. When I look at my own life, running this clothing brand, Sailor's Lifestyle, going on 3 years that we were running this brand. When we first started back in March 2020, I knew literal squat about business, clothing, fashion, marketing, advertising. Like, I knew none of that. So we just started. And back then, having goals to want to grow and scale my business to whatever level of success, I wasn't ready for it. And so, I had the vision board. I set my goals every day. I set my power affirmations. But I wasn't prepared to reach the level of success that I wanted. And so the only way I was able to get to those next levels was to prepare myself. And not only just prepare myself, but sometimes life has to prepare you. Life is going to throw curveballs at you. Life is going to beat you. Life is going to punch you in the chin to make you stronger. Yes, personal development is good. Yes, self-development is crucial. That's the foundation. There's no level of success that you can attain in this life without developing yourself physically, mentally, spiritually. But there are some things that God will just put you through that you can't put yourself through, because there's a place that he needs you to get to in order to reach that level of success that you were destined for. And so I just look at my life, certain adversities. I look at every single year we've been in business. There's always been like one or like a couple major adversities that we had to overcome, lessons that we had to learn. The pain brings lessons. Don't just let the pain come and beat you. Don't just let the pain come and beat you up and you don't learn anything from it. Everything is a tool for your advancement. And so when that pain comes, when that adversity comes, don't just let it beat you up. I keep saying that, but use it. In every adversity, there is a seed of equivalent benefit. So I just wanted to make this quick video for y'all. Just want to share these gems with you, that you will not be successful until you go through the fire. You won't be successful until you have been prepared to be successful. You see what I'm saying? Be sure to tap in. Leave a like if this video blessed you in some way. Subscribe for more content. Leave a comment. Let me know what other videos I should make just like this. Want to drop more, chill videos, me just talking to the camera. I'm going to still drop clothing brand, business content, But you know, at the end of the day, like I said, you can't be successful in those areas until you have the foundation up here in your mind. Everything's through your mindset. So let me know what other topics you guys want to hear from me. Be sure to stay tuned, turn on post notifications. Let's get it. Let's go. Have a great day. Let's get it.